A lawsuit filed by Auditor Allison Ball had its first hearing today in Franklin County Circuit Court.
Ball is suing Governor Andy Beshear and the state health cabinet, fighting for kinship caregivers in Kentucky. Kylie Hill breaks down both sides of the argument.
Lawyers for Governor Andy Beshear are pushing back on Kentucky Auditor Allison Ball, saying she has no legal standing to enforce Senate Bill 151.
What do you say to this? You can audit, but you can't file a lawsuit. I've never heard of an auditor filing a lawsuit.
And I agree with you, Judge. I don't think an auditor has ever had to file a lawsuit because this is the first time in the history of the Commonwealth that I'm aware of that an executive branch agency and office is refusing to comply with our investigation.
The hearing comes 3 months after she filed a lawsuit asking the Franklin County Circuit Court to force the Beshear administration to enact the bill, which aims to give financial help to families and close family friends who step in to raise children in foster care. But the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services says the state can't allocate funds unless the legislator gives the green light.
Simply auditing a public agency to determine how they're spending their money, whether they're being responsible with their money is a role she's, obviously statutorily and assigned to do. But in this situation, she has no injury due to the cabinet's inability to enforce SB 151.
Though the auditor's legal team disagrees, saying investigatory agencies have a right to take someone to court if they're being blocked from doing their job.
If we did not have the authority to do that, I don't know why any of our investigated or audited entities would ever comply with any of our investigations.
The cabinet maintains they're not challenging Ball's authority to investigate, just her right to file suit.
The auditor just does not have standing to bring this action.
Circuit Court Judge Thomas Wingate says he will probably dismiss Beshear from the lawsuit, but it could take a couple of weeks. In Franklin County, Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.